G'day, alrighty. Mario's shop spring storage 21 challenge. What? I can never remember these things. Spring shop storage 21. That'll do, whatever. I'm gonna make a storage receptacle because you get one entry every time you put a video in, so I thought I'd quickly have a go at my lathe, and I'm going to use this log, and it weighs about 42,000 tons. Good one. Which way was it sitting? Do I chop that off or just see what happens? Alright, so what it's letting me do is just play around with the speed, what feels good. Not the brightest idea to start with a big log, but I really am just goofing off, so carefully. Alrighty, I made a mortise, put the chuck on. That's the first. It's pretty ugly, but it's learning. It's learning. It's learning. It's hard work, isn't it? I'm running out of log as I just trying to figure out what I'm doing, basically. So I need to end up with some sort of shop storage by the end of this. Probably a pencil holder. That'll do. That'll do. Got the old star bond on the go. G'day. So I'm up to this part. I just realised I don't have a chuck for this. It's the only thing I didn't get with this lathe. So that's a bit of bad luck. I've got to go and get one of those before I can do the next part. So I will just get on with sanding this big lump of a thing and make that look nice. I'm only getting a little bit done here and there because I've got a new puppy in the house. And he's very cute. Alright, anyway, so I just wanted to have a go at this. It is a little bit of a piss take, but this thing, when it's done, which we'll get to that soon, it's actually going to be quite useful, especially for me around this area right here. It's actually a beautiful piece of timber that was hiding in that Bunnings bag. Okay, I'm going to go with Scott's Custom Grit. You can get this through his website. Really cool product. I've used it. Sorry. Really cool product. I've used it heaps of times now. Maiden voyage using the drill to bore out a hole. I'm just going to take all these little steps bit by bit until I learn, get the feel of what I can basically do on here. So that's the stage one. So it ticks the box of shop storage. It's got to store something. But again, it's going to have another purpose for me. That was my first attempt at cutting a mortise. I Didn't spend a lot of time on it. I just wanted to start to learn the process. This is going to live in here, so it's not a big deal. But ideally this will be done and finished and made beautiful. But I'll obviously get to that next time. Spring shop storage. Tick. Just going to add a bit to it so I can have a little tripod hanging out of it, and this weighted log can sit near the lathe here on the bench. Just gives me other options for filming basically. Right. Okay, it's not a gimbal. Okay, so I've turned my firewood log into a nice heavy holding apparatus. I've got my little camera thing that drops in there, and that'll just sit on a bench, mostly over near the lathe, but around the workbench as well, wherever my camera jig can't reach. So that's going to do the job nicely. A little bit sloppy, but I can turn another one of these down just for fun anyway. So that's basically what I've got going on. I'll buy another one of these rigs. I'll keep one on my camera jig and one here, so I've always got quick options for getting the footage I need. So that's one of my entries for the Spring Shop Challenge run by Mario. The beauty of this challenge is you can put in as many videos as you like. Each one will get you an entry into the prize pool, which I think is a bloody awesome idea. It's just a great reason to get you motivated, do all the little extra things around the shop, as well as get more videos out there for everyone to check it out, and we can all grow together, which is cool. Now, just quickly on subscribing, if you haven't subscribed, I'd really love if you did. People keep telling me that subscriber counts don't really matter anymore. I think that's bullshit. What subscribers do is it helps legitimize our channel. So if more people are having a bit of a look, it says to new people, maybe it's worthwhile taking a look as well. It's not about who can get the most numbers, but it just helps us grow along. So thanks very much if you've done that. And I'll see you on the next video. Alrighty, sticker sponsor shout out is Angus from Lions Wood Turning. This is a wood turning video, so you're the sticker sponsor shout out. Thanks, mate. I'm gonna get you up on the wall. I'm just painting the doors, so I've got more room for more stickers. Thank you.